Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2019 Buick Encore? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box distributes and safeguards electrical power for essential engine-related systems, such as the ECU, ignition, fuel pump, cooling fans, and emission controls. It uses high amperage fuses and relays to ensure safe, efficient operation of critical components under the hood. Auxiliary fuse box. The auxiliary fuse box supplies and protects power to optional systems like trailer wiring, additional lighting, or aftermarket accessories. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel displays vital driving information such as speed, fuel level, warning lights, and engine status directly in the driver's line of sight. It helps the driver monitor vehicle performance and alerts in real time for safe and informed driving. Rear compartment fuse box. The rear compartment fuse box manages and protects power distribution to rear area systems such as tail lamps, rear wipers, trailer connections, and power liftgate. It ensures these components operate safely and efficiently by preventing electrical overloads and short circuits.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions, blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.